Hello and welcome back to Eccentric Cosmos. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is one of the fundamental forces that govern our universe, and it is responsible for everything from the behavior of subatomic particles to the operation of our everyday electronics. In this video, we'll cover the basics of electromagnetism, how it works, and some practical applications. Electromagnetism is the branch of physics that deals with the relationship between electrically charged particles and magnetic fields. It is a fundamental force of nature, along with gravity, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. Electromagnetism is responsible for many of the phenomena we observe in our everyday lives, such as the way magnets attract or repel each other and the way electricity flows through wires. At its most basic level, electromagnetism can be understood through the concept of the electromagnetic field. This is a field that surrounds any object that has an electric charge or is in motion. The field is made up of two parts, the electric field and the magnetic field. The electric field is created by the presence of charged particles, while the magnetic field is created by the motion of those particles. Electromagnetism works through a set of fundamental equations known as Maxwell's equations. These equations describe the behavior of electric and magnetic fields and how they interact with each other. One of the most important equations in electromagnetism is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This law states that a changing magnetic field will induce an electric current in a conductor. This is the principle that underlies the operation of generators and motors. Another important principle in electromagnetism is Ampere's law, which states that a current-carrying wire will create a magnetic field around it. This principle is used in many applications, such as electromagnets and MRI machines. Electromagnetism has many practical applications in our daily lives. One of the most important is in the generation and transmission of electricity. Electrical generators work by using the principle of electromagnetic induction to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. The electricity is then transmitted over long distances using power lines that rely on electromagnetism to operate. Another important application of electromagnetism is in the field of electronics. The behavior of electronic components such as transistors and diodes is governed by the principles of electromagnetism. Without electromagnetism, we would not have devices like computers, smartphones, or televisions. Electromagnetism is also used in medical imaging technology such as MRI machines. These machines use powerful magnetic fields to create detailed images of the human body. They are able to do this because the human body contains charged particles that interact with the magnetic field. This interaction can be detected and used to create images of the body's internal organs and tissues. As technology continues to advance, so too will our understanding and application of electromagnetism. Scientists and engineers are currently exploring ways to use electromagnetic fields to create new forms of propulsion, such as magnetic levitation trains. They are also investigating ways to use electromagnetic fields to manipulate and control the behavior of individual atoms and molecules. Another area of research is the development of new materials that can harness the power of electromagnetism in novel ways. For example, researchers are investigating the use of materials called metamaterials that can manipulate electromagnetic waves in ways that were previously thought impossible. These materials could have applications in fields such as telecommunications and information technology. Electromagnetism is a fascinating and essential branch of physics that has revolutionized the way we live our lives. From generating and transmitting electricity to powering our electronics and medical imaging technology, electromagnetism has made it all possible. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting applications of electromagnetism, from new forms of transportation to novel ways of manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level. As we continue to explore the mysteries of electromagnetism, we will undoubtedly uncover even more fascinating insights into the fundamental forces that govern our universe.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more science content.